Well, hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be visiting Mount Lycabettus, which is the highest peak in Athens. It is 277 meters higher than the sea level, so let's go. Oh my god, it's so tiring in the sun. I try my level best to reach up because there is a church and I really want to see that church. And yeah, I want to see how city looks like from such a highest peak, you know. I don't know if you guys can clearly see it, but over there is the Acropolis that I went day before yesterday. It looks so beautiful from here. It's the opposite side, and wow, it's perfection. Just a suggestion for you guys, if you are coming to climb this hill, you need to carry at least 3 bottles of water. I was actually prepared because I knew that it's gonna be one hell of a trek, so I was carrying like 3 of them in my bag. After climbing for half an hour, I reached the hilltop. Oh my god, it was one hell of a climb. Wear your sunscreens, drink a lot of water, carry a lot of water. It's crazy coming up when it's like around 1 p.m. I think I should come early in the morning, but there is not a lot of crowd like it was in Acropolis. But a really amazing view from here. It's much more peaceful and really calm. You should check this place out, please. It's my suggestion. Amazing place. The view is just mesmerizing. As I mentioned, the view is quite breathtaking and it feels so nice. All this climb is totally worth it because the wind is so strong over here. It feels so nice. Oh my god, I am at peace. I had a great time climbing this hill. It's a proper workout session, but the view, I think it's worth it. All this climb, all this crazy thing was just worth it, just because the view is just breathtaking. Trust me, guys. The best thing about this trek is going down. It's not as hard as climbing it. I'm just enjoying the wind, fresh air, and a lot of sun because I want to get tanned. Yeah, it's just a peaceful climb. If you want to stop by and eat something, there are amazing hotels as well up, and also while climbing this hill you can see some hotels here and there, but it's gonna be pretty expensive. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, so these hotels are not the option for you. Just a tip for you guys, if you want to visit this hill, then you need to come early in the morning around 8 to 9. So that is when the sun is rising and it's not really hot. So one tip for you to climb this hill.